Hello my people, welcome back to another video. I'm going to bake a cake using the simplest ingredients. And I'm going to use my meko cooker. I want to make an orange flavored cake. I hope you enjoy. Please consider subscribing, sharing, commenting on this video on the comment section. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you guys. Welcome to the process. Here is the procedure of making a orange flavored cake using the simplest ingredients in your kitchen. Welcome. Here I have my Tima wheat flour. White one, bluebird margarine. You can use your preference or another brand like Prestige, sugar, 2 eggs. My whisk got spoiled, so I'm going to use a fork. Here is my orange squeezer and my orange. These oranges are always sweet. They are from the supermarket. I always hear they are imported. I don't know. Here is my bowl. I'm going to mix my ingredients step one at a time. Till I get the consistency I want. First, I'm going to mix this bluebird margarine with the sugar. I whisk it with my fork. Enjoy the process. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. You have to mix this margarine completely with the sugar. Till you get the consistency you want. You don't want some places that they are not mixed with the sugar. I think I will add some more sugar for more flavor. Guys. I forgot about my chapamandazi. This is chapamandazi baking powder. This is different from instant yeast, hamira in Swahili. Yeah, I'm going to use this chapa mandazi, like 1 tablespoon. You see the portion, guys? Not a lot. Need to add some. Yeah.
Tahu kapan ini? Tahu kapan ini? Tahu kapan ini?
How this cover wants to give me character development. I don't know why. Yep. But we move. I'm going to take it back to its carton. Yeah, to avoid any contamination with the other food. I'm going to mix this thoroughly. Yeah, you can see the baking powder is already dissolving. I'm going to mix this so well with the margarine and the sugar. Yep. Now I want to add my eggs.
Egg?
That one. The second one. Mix this so well. Yep. We want a very smooth consistency and everything to blend well. Yeah. I've already added sugar, the margarine, 2 eggs and a tablespoon of baking powder. Yep. Let me keep this as I add my wheat flour, the white one. I have 1 serving spoon. Don't want a big cake. Get a second one. And mix this. Remember, guys, we want like the consistency like that of pancakes. Yeah. And you see your flour is too much. Yeah, I'm not going to add some milk because sometimes I get to have some lactose intolerance. Yeah, I'm going to add some water. Yeah, and continue with the process. Yeah, mixing this so well. Yep. Yeah, as it is resting, I want to cut this orange into two sections. I will use one part to squeeze the juice from it, and the other piece I think I will give it to my baby to have some fresh juice later. Yeah, before supper. It's almost 5 p.m. Yep. We need to have some balanced diet. Yeah, my baby is trying to be my helper today, but I'm trying to keep her away. Yep. Don't want any accidents in the kitchen now that the night is approaching. Yeah, sometimes as a mom you try to compromise, but here is the juice. You can see. You see guys, the juice. Yeah, going to add it here, all of it. Yeah, remember we are making a orange flavored cake. Yeah, I want to mix all these ingredients together, to get that smooth consistency. Yeah, I'm using the simplest kitchen gadgets available in my home right now. I'm using this fork, to mix this. This is a complete workout using this. I wish I had a whisk, but it's not in my disposal right now, so I need to use what I have. You guys, and you check that this looks so good and it smells so nice. Even before the cake is ready, it smells so good. The orange, the margarine, this is so good. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's a new channel, but we grow a day at a time. Yep, guys. Now this consistency looks so good. Everything is well married with everything. The consistency is not light and it's not that heavy. Can see? Can you see it, guys? So good. I'm sure that smell of orange juice is so sweet. It is smelling so good. You can't even resist. If you are my neighbor, welcome. See, this looks so good. It is orange in color because of the orange juice. And the color of the margarine. This looks so good. Now, as this rests, I'm going to prepare my sufuria. Guys, I'm going to use my sufuria, the tiniest I have in my house. I used to use them when my baby started weaning at 6 months. That's what I'm going to use to bake the cake. This looks so good, you guys. I wish you can smell the flavors. You can smell that the sweetness of the orange juice from the screens, but it's not possible. Now I want it to rest for some few minutes. I'm going to use this sufuria. It is not that big. I think it's like a liter. This is the sufuria I used when my baby started weaning. I'm going to apply this bluebird margarine. I don't have a kitchen brush, so I'm going to use the God-given one. I want to spread it around this sufuria inside Yeah, inside only. Yeah, to avoid the cake sticking. Yeah, I want to spread it so well. Yeah, can you look, guys? Yeah, the sufuria was so shining. Now look, I have applied the margarine all around it. Then next I have to use the white flour. Yeah, the white wheat flour. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to be. And dust this so good, so well, I mean. Yeah, I'm doing this to avoid the cake sticky on the sufuria. Yeah. Yeah, can you see, guys? See, it looks messy, but there is, we want to enjoy the yummiest cake ever. Now this, everything is ready. Yep, see you like in few minutes. Yeah, guys, I was cleaning my space. Yeah, the space I have worked on. My consistency is here. It has been waiting. Yeah, it has been resting for, not waiting, it has been resting for like 10 minutes. It is so smooth. This looks so creamy. Yeah, I have already dusted my sufuria with margarine and flour. Now you have to use an extra sufuria to avoid your cake burning before it is fully cooked. Yeah. Now I want to press the butter, the already made butter, into the dusted sufuria. Yeah. Can you see, guys, how it looks so good? It's orange. Yeah. Now I have to put all of it in my sufuria. Yep, guys. I think the work of the fork is done. I'm going to use this metal serving spoon. Yeah, to get everything out of the bowl I was mixing the ingredients. Yeah, I don't want to waste anything. Yeah, see, guys, can't waste this. Yeah, it's a lot, and there are people who are starving. It's not good. Yeah, I have to get everything out of the bowl. Yeah, the mixing bowl. Yeah. Let me show you my butter using the back camera. Can you see, guys? Yeah, here's my butter. It looks so good. Yep, guys. It looks so good. Yeah, it's ready. Yep. Here is my small cooker gas, the tiniest. It's 7.6 kgs. Now I'm going to use this to bake my cake today. Yeah, Yeah, guys, you don't have to have those fancy kitchen gadgets for you to enjoy baking. No, use what you have for now. Yeah, anything can work. For today, I'm going to use this Meko gas cooker. Yeah. Let me lit it. I want to use the minimal heat. I have my sufuria. Yeah. I have to cover my butter. Yeah, I have to cover this butter. Yeah, with this method. Yeah, I'm showing you how to use at what you have in your disposal right now. This knife needs no pressure. Now I think my sufuria is preheated. Let me place the small sufuria inside here. Yeah. Yeah, can you see it, guys? Then I'm going to cover it like that. Yep, guys. Let us wait for a few minutes, then I will come back to show you the results. Yep. Guys, it's about like 10 minutes later. I need to check on the progress of my cake. Remember, I'm using the Meko gas cooker. Yeah, I need to check if it's cooking light. Yeah, I'm using the minimal heat. Yeah, and my house smells like a bakery right now. I'm sure the neighbors are salivating from the aroma of the cake. Yeah, my orange cake. Yeah, it is smelling so good. Yeah. Now let us check on our progress. Let me show you using the back camera. Yeah, have opened. Can you just see that orange color? This looks so good. And it smells so yummy. Hey, the aroma in my house right now. It can even suffocate someone. No, I have to use this toothpick to check if the butter it is still runny. Yeah, I'm going to insert this one. You can use a fork. I can tell how this cake is soft by just inserting the toothpick. Yep, guys. Hey, this is so good. I'm so happy. Now look at the toothpick. It is not stinky. It is not sticking to the butter. Yeah, it is so clean. Now the cake is ready. After 20 minutes, it is ready because it has taken like 20 minutes for it to fully cook. Now I have to remove the cake from the Meko gas. Yep, guys, welcome and enjoy my orange flavored cake at the comfort of my home. Yep. Please, if you have liked this video till this far, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Like, share, comment down below on the comment section how your cake turned out. Yeah, I'm sure you're going to enjoy as we will enjoy this cake. Yeah, I will show you the end product. Yep, guys, keep watching. Yeah, guys, here is my orange flavored cake. Let me This is so spongy. It's so soft. Look, guys. Look. It's so hot. So hot. Yeah. Look at it, guys. Just look at that cake. Yeah, using my recipe. Yeah, you will never buy a cake from the bakery again. Look at this. So soft and spongy. Yeah, and so sweet. I have tasted it, though it is so hot. I'm sure you, yeah. Can you look? Can you look at the results? Yes, this is my very spongy orange flavored cake. I have made it using the cheapest kitchen gadgets that I have. Yeah, it's so good. This is the yummiest cake ever. You can make this at the comfort of your home. See, guys, it is not burnt. It is so flavorful. Yep. Follow my recipe. Yeah. And you are going to get the same results. No buying cake from the bakery again. Yeah. I have to enjoy this with my baby. Let me cut a piece. Yeah. So smooth and it's so spongy. I'm so proud of myself right now. I have to enjoy this, yeah, with a glass of juice. Yep. Yeah. Now look at my cake. Oh, it's so good. Welcome. Karibuni. See you on my next video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Adios.